Welcome back, everybody. I appreciate you coming in. Today we're gonna hopefully finish the game, or get much closer to finishing this game here. My phone's being a little bitch. There we go. Okay. I should be able to see the text now if anybody wants to drop a message. Alright, let's get started. I don't like that it doesn't show like all of me. It's a bit. Do it up like that. Alright, let's get started. Open up the game. My computer's being real fucky-wucky today. Check this out. I go to delete this and it tells me nah. But it works now. Works now. That's good. Hey, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with it working sometimes. Sometimes not. Little strange, a little tough sometimes, but gonna be alright. Gonna be okay, little birdie. What were we doing last? I don't remember. Let's check out what we got here. We want to update the HP regen to not display numbers. So here's what's going on here. It looks like shit, so we gotta fix this. But our HP regen 1 is giving us numbers, and we don't want that. And 2, it's doing a little tick after we take damage. I want it to be immediately after, or it's doing it before, but either way, I want it to be immediately after, that way we don't even see it happening. So if our HP regen is higher than the damage that's being dealt through the level, then don't even show that it changes. So let's remove this. And you know what also? I want to see if I can get an updated version of GM Live. I don't know that if it's in actually. Let's go ahead and test. We can open, allow it. Come on. While it's open now, 0 clients, we run the game. If it's still working, then this should show 1 client. Hey, there we go. Now let's see if it actually does anything. We can go continue. We can. Shit. I was hoping one of the debug buttons. Hey, okay. So this is currently +1. So if I press up, it'll add 1 to our currency. And that's happening. Great. Now, let's make it aware it actually subtracts. If I hit Control S to save, right? Let's see if it goes down now. Hey, let's go. Okay, so GM Live is still working for us in this current build and everything. Fantastic. And it's going back up. Yes, sir. Okay. So that means anywhere that I've added live auto call, asterisk, it should be able to update depending on when I change the code and save. So like I said, what I want to happen is get rid of these. So that'll be in the player. Step event somewhere along here. Let's just go ahead and control M. So if there's any regions, there's not. I think this will look nicer if it's in a region. But control M closes them all like that. I was expecting it to show here. I'm assuming that maybe it's because it's a hittable. Step, HP region, okay. Change health. Let's create override, change health. Blah, blah, blah. Create damage numbers. Okay. I wanted to change health, but not show the damage numbers. So... I'm going to add in a parameter, show, hey Jessica, good to see you. I'll put display, or no, I'll do create damage numbers. And by default, it'll be now I need to update this everywhere. Unfortunately, it seems like it's in quite a bit of places, but not too bad. So we got false. True. What we're doing right now is... Oh, I've already updated it and saved it, so you can't even see. But what was happening is all of the damage numbers were constantly coming out because we had HP regen. It was coming up. But now I'm fixing that, so it's gonna get rid of it. What the heck? What even are those? Oh, some little flowers. Okay, I see you. Change health. I think this is if we crit. And we want, actually we want true here. How come this is not creating damage numbers? I don't know. It is what it is, though. Okay, that should be good. I have to rerun it. The other thing that we're going to do is here in a moment, I want to make it where the HP regen is happening right after we take the damage from the level. So that way you don't even see that you're losing HP and then regaining it. right now I have 0 HP regen. So this is like normal thing. Die, come over here. HP regen's right here. Bam, now I have 1 HP regen. Battle, let's see. So, okay, unfortunately this is still occurring. What the hell? Oh my lord. Okay, so this is still happening up here, and then the numbers. Now the numbers should be fixed here in just a second. Create damage numbers. Here we're creating the damage numbers. I think that's the only location. Yeah. If is equal to true, create the damage numbers. Do I have live auto call? Sure do, so now they should be removed. They're not. That's a lot of numbers though. How am I not dead? 1 health per second, I guess can easily tank all that. That's crazy. That's more than 1 health per second though. Or is it? I don't know how to count. 1, 2, 3. I think this is still more than 1 second. That's crazy. I'll have to find out. Real fucky wucky. How's your life going? Are you still live if you are? Because I don't want to distract you from your stuff. Continue. Bam. Still doing it. Why? Hittable. Change health. Don't create the damage numbers. If it's true, create the damage numbers. Well, there's another one. There we go. Here for the boys to get up in a match. Just eating sweet. Yeah, good luck in your match. Ooh, you're playing a little early too. I see you. So yeah, the HP regen is still occurring before the health is being lost. So I need to fix that. I think I probably put that in the object spawner. Step, damage player, bam. Don't show. I could just do this. I think this is what I'll do. Put this in a begin step. Bam. Now, let's see. I also need to still check and see the HP regen. I feel like it's occurring a little too fast. I'm not too sure. Is it on the second? Damn. Because you're not joining well. I would have waited a bit longer. Okay, I appreciate you. if my HP regen is not 0, not equal to 0, then do this. Really, I feel like that shouldn't matter. That should be fine. That might give us some other issues, but max time till it procs. .25 seconds. I don't think we're using that anywhere else but here. I'm gonna put that back as 1. But regardless of which, why? Yeah. Why did it take so long to get here? Oh, it took 1 second. Yeah. Okay, it's because of the in-between time. Okay. Let's see what the issue is. So we're taking a whole bunch of little damage in the increments, and finally then we're upgrading in bulk. Bam. And these increments are obviously happening before this one. So you're seeing the little updates and then back to full. So they need to occur at the exact same time. what I should do is actually this. Then, whenever you update, assuming that they can both be at the exact same time with the region, total gen is equal to HP region if I'm glad if we are object dex is equal to object player, then what we want is to subtract this amount from our region. So if our region's 0, it's going to be negative, which means we're going to take damage, which makes sense. If it's above it, then we're going to only regen the amount that we, the positive amount, the difference. And we want that of, I forget what the name of it is, I think object spawner? Yeah. This may not be the best. I should probably do a global variable, but I think it'll be fine. Use the total region instead. If object is equal to if object index okay. Well, let's see. We had root beer floats. I went and watched Mandy and something with Grandpa. I would say Grandma and Grandpa, but Grandma didn't give a fuck. She was reading a book. So it should not move. Fantastic. Now, if I don't want to restart. It's more like I need to get rid of the save file. Bam, 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 bam. Radiant click. Where are you at? Bam. There we go. Oh, don't forget to charge your phone tonight. There's going to be a thunder shower. Thunderstorm, rain shower. Oh, I forgot that there's such a delay between now and the stream. I was like, yum. But yeah, you're talking about the float. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, new game. Thank you. I was like, what? No disc golf. Yeah. Unfortunate. It even sprinkled today while I was doing the lawn, mowing the lawn. This is not bad. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. It's feeling pretty good. I gained a lot there. 4 health, that's crazy. Bam. Yeah, just more damage. I can beat this one a lot faster than I can in the Node Busters, but I could give it like, a little bit of a razzle dazzle. Make it where they gain a little bit of HP. It's tough because if it's too much HP in the beginning, but I don't like that they gain HP throughout the course of the level. I don't like that. I know it's better for the balancing of Node Buster, and it might be better for it here, but it just doesn't feel good for me. I don't even know if this works. I should definitely gain more damage if there's multiple. Holy shit. 6. No. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Yeah, that description is not the correct description. This is adding in more enemies. Why are you going over there? Where are you going there, bud? I've never seen that in my life. More enemies. Do I want more enemies? You would simply be making it harder for yourself. You could gain more gold this way in the early levels, but I don't want that for balancing. I don't think that would be nice. I think it's good for Node Buster again because there's no, they don't do damage to you really. It's just a matter of gaining more gold quickly. And we're going tonight till, I don't know. Let's say 9. I need 2 hours for some other work, but so we've got about 50 minutes. We could do 1 damage per tick. Could just be a straight up current level. So if we delete this data, it should show that it's doing 1 damage exactly. 1, 1, 1. And then if you buy the other one, it'll be just 0, so you don't lose any health. That's too much damage straight off rip. I'm thinking 3 damage for this guy. Let me go into the, for balancing here. A little bit of balancing, bug fixing, that sort of thing. That's what we're doing today. I'm a sleepy boy. Okay, here we go. Cursive damage, let's reduce this down to 3. I want it to be 3. 2 4 times. I'm going to test this. I don't remember how fast, how this is determined. Is a higher attack speed better? Or I think it's lower is better. Which is just weird that I made the blue one the fastest attacking. We're going to find out though. First thing though, we need to delete the save because our grid has all of the new properties. They won't be updated. Yeah, I think this is in terms of seconds till the attack. So in 20 seconds he'll attack once, I think. So 1 attack per second. Well, not 1 attack per second. Essentially, yes, but so this one every half second I'll attack. Forgot. Gotta delete this. Why are we saving the character class? I don't know. Mage will be a balance between the two. Wait. Did I delete this and then we hit play and then there was something there still? This balance was pretty good. This one right here needs to be either removed or... I actually just found out something right now. I just came up with a way to be able to create a class within this game. It will come from killing the bosses. Because there are 20, check this out, holy shit. Because there are 20 levels, each boss will give you 1 boss credit. It could be souls as well, really whatever you want to call the currency. I'll show you. What the hell? I can't, okay, I can show you, give me a second. Let me get a little extra money. Now imagine to get higher levels of crit. You get your crit 1s, crit damage, crit, right? Now to get to the next stage of critting, you want to crit more often, sure. You need to go past one of these like gates, essentially. And this gate will cost you one of the other tokens, and that token is the boss. So let me just kill these guys. Like, that's amazing. Oh, I crit right there. Oh my gosh. That expands the game. That does some wonders. Damn, I need more health. This is good. This is really, really good. So it only says I acquired this one, but it doesn't show that I acquired also the bonus soul, but it should give us, yeah, it's here now. So let's say you want more HP regen, and I'll nerf all of these and make it where, okay, you want more health, you want more regen, obviously you're gonna have to, you know, take one of these guys. Okay. Yeah, whenever you're not distracted, but I'm not talking smack. That's good. That's good. Alright, I'll have to put on all the thinking off to the side for now. I do want to be able to complete some of these other tasks first. Boss, no. Rehaul, no. What did the other guys like mining? I can redo the since we're gonna get rid of that node, this is essentially true. But I think the mage one needs something. Here's a note idea. What about like random hits and like random locations for cursor damage? What the hell? It's Donkey Day? Okay. So like this though. So here's the field. Here's your normal cursor, and then maybe a little guy cursor. Or it could actually scale. Oh, check this out. It scales based on your cursor. It'll retain the same cursor scale. So if you wanted to go into like a battle mage kind of deal, so the mage, this will be a mage one. What the fuck? Mage node, but it retains scale of cursor from warrior tree. Increases cursor scale. Check that out. That's badass. Okay, let me focus on this one. Be able to restart the game to reselect a class if the player wants. And that means that we'll have a continue button and a new game button. Ba, ba, ba. Let's get rid of that. Display screen, main menu, buttons. We want total buttons. It will be 6. It'll be new game. It'll be continue. How do I want to do this? We'll do 5 buttons, but if as president is equal to true, then this plus equals 1. So now with that additional button, here's how we'll do this. Now it'll have 6. And then for each of these, we'll do that. Then I can have a -1. And this will never proc unless there's the additional button. Really, I just want these flopped, flip-flopped, so essentially it'll be this. If it's false, it'll be new game. Aw, shit, I forgot switches can't do any math. How come it's not showing an X? I bet once we try and run it, it'll give me the sass. Because I have to do a switch asterisk. Yeah, it's gotta be a constant. Okay, yeah, I've done this before. It's a real cock in the ass. So instead of a switch, it'll be a if this is okay. So now if and these all need to be updated again, my bad. 2 3 4 Oh, shucks. The brake needs to be removed. Because brake gets us out of switch. But now they get us out of this for loop. Okay, now so actually either way it's gonna say new game. That's kind of funny. Because it's either gonna be new game, that's the only thing that's gonna show up, or there's gonna be continue and then a new game. Pretty funny, pretty funny. Let's go ahead and delete the save file. Let's run the game. See what we got. I honestly didn't even look, but looks correct. The only thing is like, why is it shifted over so far? I think it's because of the potential buttons. Top row, total top row buttons. When you do this. And let me delete it again, because I want to see the beginning. Beautiful. New game. If I hit that though, good, it doesn't save. Thank you. We'll do that one. We'll say okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Always have a 1% chance, yes sir. Pressure times 3. We do need that node bit. Forgot to add here in the upgrade nodes. Add character class node somewhere with hover to show its special description. let's see if the new game. Let me go ahead and just add a couple whatever. Battle doesn't matter. Terminate doesn't matter. Go home. Okay. We'll do main menu and continue. Beautiful. Back to main menu. New game. Blue boy. Oi! Why do I have so much health? Terminate, go home. Yep. Yep. That's not good. True. That's cool. That's a cool feature. Could have added in 3 different cards. Was this persistent? Yeah. I am now lost. Where the fuck? Okay. We're going to... I'm assuming that this guy has all of our goods. We'll create, so I mean we'll destroy. Instance, destroy. give it a shot. Give us some goodies. Sure enough. Let's go. Main menu. Continue. Still got it. Main menu. New game. Green boy. 10. Go home. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Okay. Pickup radius needs to actually be increased. Also based on the cursor radius. So it should be cursor radius plus, times whatever the heck. I know what I'm talking about. Man, I just want to sleep. Alright, we did this one though. Bam. So we're completing some steps, but we're finding out other ones to put in here, which could be problematic, but I think it's kind of necessary. Otherwise, the game's gonna be ass. Have I been working on this game for a year? What in the fuck? Over a year? I better not have. I'm looking at this right here. Let me see if I can update this poison. This shouldn't take me too long, and then I'll skedaddle here. I might go play a game with you, by the way. Just because I might need a little break, a little pick-me-up here. I'm not depresso, but I'm feeling like, after so much work or whatever, I need to... Alright, so update the poison to be 25% of your cursor damage over 4 seconds. Can stack up to 4 times. Refreshing bleed timer on stack gain hit. It's gonna be a big one. New game. I want this one. I need to test something. Yeah, I think only the green one can do that. Even if I give myself 100% crit chance. Well, now I'm just killing him in one hit, but I don't think that I can crit no matter what. Yeah. So let me exit out of some of this stuff so it's not too confusing. Where the shit am I doing bleed? This is seeing if I'm attacking an enemy, and here's where I'm changing the health. Bum bum bum, create damage numbers. I mean, I'm glad that it's not in here, because I don't want it in here, but I don't know where the hell it's at. I think we have, let's see, purple, wherever the hell we're doing purple at. Okay. Current bleed stack damage, current bleed stack number. Good thing I set that up correctly. Cool. Where the hell am I doing this? Shit. Calculate player damage hit. Over 4 seconds. Checking the door. Alright. Good night, Grandma. Love you. Current time to apply stack. I only want to update this if this is less than or equal to 0. If you haven't already started applying bleed stack, then start her up, my boy. Current bleed stack damage is going to be whatever the damage is, divided by 4, and we want to actually add on to that, or rather, So this is a bit confusing here. I want to add to a current bleed stack, but I want the current bleed times current times to bleed to apply bleed damage. And I think what we'll do is we'll replace all of these everywhere. Bam. And then, oh wait, what the fuck? I just found them all, not replace them all. Okay. Bam. And of course, we want to now add in this. And this is a character class number with the enemies. So with the enemies, we're going to go with enemy. We need the parent. Parent. The guy, bad guy. Create event. Pop. Wop. Where the bleed stuff at? Probably down at the bottom. The new stuff. It's like damage. User. Pyramid stack numbers. Gonna go 0. Yep. So now with that though, I could do this times that equals, and we'll do, we need to make sure that this is not more than 4. So we're going to do current bleed stack number is equal to whichever one is smaller, this plus 1 or 4. So first one will be 1, it starts at 0. But now we need to be able to reset this. So bleed, blah blah blah, current times to bleed, 0. Else current bleed stack number is equal to 0. Well, let's see if we got it. Chance, so I want to up that. Oh, actually, it's not even based on crit chance at the moment, right? Yeah, doing zeros. Zeros is problematic. So we'll do seal, and this will make it where no matter what, it's going to be 1. So if your damage is 4, divided by 4, it'll be 1. It still should have shown like, hey, this is 0 point, whatever. I'm cool with it showing 0 point, but why is it not? Should be 1. Should be 1 times damage. Maybe on this bleed portion. So we're rounding it. Alright, so no decibels normally. I want to do if my amount is greater than 0 and it's less than 1. My amount is simply equal to amount. Alright, we'll do it like this. Poison damage. Can still see 0.25 or whatever. Alright, let's see it. Still have to take into account that it needs to be a crit. Aside from that, Hopefully that doesn't cause us any issues as well. What the fuck? Okay. Damn. I think it's working. To fully test it, let's give the enemies more health, just in the beginning here. 70 is fine. We'll do delete that because they're in the database. Not too sure why I'm saving that database either. But it is what it is. Let me make a little note of that. Do I need to be saving enemy plus player databases? New game, bam. Let's terminate. That way I can. Shit. Really just wanted the HP. Well, they have so much HP. Okay, so 0.75, 2. That's what's up. That's what's up. Now it's a lot of damage, but you have to be able to crit. So now I am kind of worried about the whole crit chance actually. Let me run it again, because I think currently if I crit, I'm actually doing bonus damage to my bleeds. I don't like that. Continue, and we will give us some crit chance. Yeah. We may have to work that in for a balancing thing rather than it's a bug. I didn't intend for it to be this actually works out perfectly because then it adds into my crit damage. So it's automatically doing that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's good. So, with that in mind, I just need to make sure that I am critting. If was crit, bam. So now let me go ahead and start up a new file. Doesn't need to be here anymore. But we'll do a lot more stuff come tomorrow. New game. This. Now whenever I attack them, only if I crit do you gain that. I shouldn't have done that. Continue. We're going to give us 50% crit. That was a crit. Bam. Not a crit. Very nice. Okay. Bam. Huge update. Update the other classes to be more unique. We'll have to finish that one up. Yeah, so I'll have to look into some more nodes next time, especially the class node here. Could be cool. Another cool thing that we can do is add more classes based on you know, the ones that you beat. So maybe the 3 primary all give you a class. So there's 6 classes total. That could be fun. I don't know. We'll work something in. But anyway, I appreciate you guys coming in. Don't forget to save your work. It is going to be raining, stormy tonight if you're in the southern part of Texas. Don't know the rest of the weather. I don't give a shit. But yeah, charge your stuff. I gotta charge my phone.